We are again here with the same chapter, Is Matter Around Us Pure? In the continuation of the chapter, we are having our another topic, and which is exactly one of the separation method, that is separation of sublime material from a non-sublime material. In your NCERT book, we are having one of the example, that is how can you separate the mixture of common salt from ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. But this as a common, we take this topic as how can you separate one sublime mixture of one sublime material with the non-sublime material. Now what is sublimation? In chapter 1, that is matter in our surrounding, we had read about the sublimation technique or the term sublimation. What is this sublimation? Sublimation is actually conversion of solid material directly to the gaseous state without going to the liquid state with the increase in temperature. That is called as sublimation. And already in that chapter, I had explained that some of the material in our surrounding are sublime material. So, only the sublime material had tendency to perform sublimation. Now, if we are having a mixture of sublime and non-sublime material, how can we separate that mixture? For separation of that mixture, we use the sublimation technique. Now, what is the principle behind this sublimation technique? The principle is one of the materials should be sublime and other material should be non-sublime. Now, here we have taken one of the example of common salt plus ammonium chloride. Common salt is having the formula NaCl and ammonium chloride is having the formula NH4Cl. Both are white in color. So if sodium chloride mixed with ammonium chloride, and they are crystals because they are salts, they are crystal also, they are white in color also, when they get mixed up, how can you separate it? Similarly, we can take the example of NaCl plus camphor or NaCl plus naphthalene ball or any of the salt plus any of the sublime material. So how can you separate it? If the physical appearance of both the component of a mixture is same, then how can you separate those mixture? For that, we use this sublimation technique. Now see the experiment. What experiment do we perform? Students, do remember, this is also one of the topic of your practical, that is practical number 4 according to your CBSE syllabus of practicals, that how can you separate camphor from common salt. So we use this experiment over there also. How can you conduct the experiment? Already you know about the apparatus which we use in our chemistry laboratory. So first we take china dish, or you can say petri dish. So you can take a petri dish and you can put the mixture in that petri dish. If we have taken this petri dish, and this is the mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride, the mixture which we have to separate. This is the mixture. Now we just keep this separating funnel inverted above the petri dish. What we do, separating funnel, all of you know separating funnel is like this, right? So what we do, we just keep this separating funnel inverted above the mixture present in petri dish. सबसे पहले हम पेट्री डिश में मिक्सचर रख लिए, उसके ऊपर फनल को इन्वर्ट करके रख दिए. Now there is a hole present in this separating funnel. So what we do, we just add a cotton here. We just put cotton on the mouth of the funnel so that there is no escaping of any gas if present. So we just close this hole or close this open part with the cotton. Now we start burning it with the help of the tripod stand. If we take a tripod stand, we keep wire gauze on that, then we keep the petri dish. In petri dish the mixture is present, then we put the separating funnel in the inverted position and a cotton above that, above the separating funnel, that is on the mouth of the separating funnel, and we start heating this mixture. What will happen? You just assume a condition. When you heat a sublime material, what will happen? Obviously, the sublime material starts getting changes into the solid state. First, it changes to the gaseous state, then after condensation, it will again come to the solid state. So what we'll do, यहाँ पे इसको हम हीट करना शुरू करते हैं. हमारे पास मिक्सचर है NaCl और NH4Cl का. We all know NH4Cl हमारा सब्लाइम मटेरियल और NaCl नॉन सब्लाइम मटेरियल. तो जब हम मिक्सचर को हीट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो सब्लाइम मटेरियल है दैट विल स्टार्ट कन्वर्टिंग टू गैसियस स्टेट. सो NH4Cl on heating become NH4Cl gas. That is, fumes of NH4Cl start fuming here, right? Now gases has tendency to move up. So what will happen? Gases यहाँ से ऊपर जाना शुरू होंगे और वो सारे gases किसके होंगे? NH4Cl के. These gases wants to escape out, but since cotton is present over here, so there is no chances of escaping out of these gases because cotton will hinder that. So what will happen? Since here temperature is lower than this part, here the temperature is low, then the fumes of sublime material, that is NH4Cl here, starts condensing themselves, start getting solidified, and the fumes gets converted into the solid NH4Cl, and they just stick there at the wall of the separating funnel. Now in the petri dish, when the all fumes of NH4Cl fumes out, in the petri dish we get the NaCl in the liquid state. All of you know, कॉमन सॉल्ट को अगर हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करके रख दें या रूम टेम्परेचर पे भी रख दें तो थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो क्या होता है, लिक्विड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो NH4Cl और NaCl का मिक्सचर है, अगर NH4Cl बीइंग सब्लाइम, फ्यूम्स बनना शुरू हो जाएगा और फ्यूम्स बनने के बाद वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ेगा. सिंस वहां कॉटन लगा हुआ है, दे हैव नो चांसेस टू स्किप आउट. तो व्हाट विल हैपन, यहाँ पे वो फिर सॉलिडिफाई होना शुरू हो जाएगा बिकॉज एट द टॉप ऑफ द फनल टेम्परेचर जो है वो लो है इन कंपैरिजन टू दिस पार्ट ऑफ पेट्री डिश. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सॉलिडिफाई होके वो फनल के वॉल्स में स्टिक करना शुरू कर देगा. एंड इन द पेट्री डिश वी आर लेफ्ट विद द NaCl. So by this method we can separate the sublime and non-sublime material from each other. अब इस फनल को हटा लेंगे, यहाँ से हम स्क्रैच कर लेंगे तो यहाँ हमको NH4Cl मिल गया एंड पेट्री डिश पे we get the NaCl. So this is the method to just separate the mixture of sublime and non-sublime material. That is any of the material like salt or ammonium chloride, which is the topic. Since ammonium chloride being sublime, they just solidify here, and the normal salt, that is the common salt, being non-sublime, that is there in the petri dish. So this is about the separation of sublime and non-sublime material. Now for better understanding, I'll give you one video to just demonstration of the sublimation process to separate sublime and non-sublime material. And one more thing, in that video I'll write the steps also which we follow to perform this experiment. That will be beneficial for your practicals also. So just watch this video. Thank you.